ones that pops up all the time, especially with the code change recently, is changing out smoke detectors. How many people here are that's part of what you do? Are you just, I don't know if you're just doing the pre-build or what have you, but do you offer as a service swapping out smoke detectors? Yeah, because yeah, okay, I'm starting to see. Because I think that's a huge one right now, and for residential, yeah, okay, so you're gonna get some work, but if you know anyone that's got condos, apartment buildings, that work goes from being swapping out a well, I guess what, maybe 3 or 4 in a house to 3 or 400 easily in an apartment building. And just in the new year, for example, the code changed and all the smoke detectors had to have carbon monoxide included. And not too long ago, they started really pushing battery backups. So there's a lot of product as it comes end of life that needs to be replaced. Another big one is Nest. The people that have got Nest in their house. Nest announced that they're no longer providing smoke detectors. So their smart smoke detector is no more. And when it reaches end of life, and I want to say it was 7, I forget if it was 7 or 10 years, whatever the time frame was, it just stops working and it has to be replaced. And then there's some obvious replacements. First Alert has an SC5, for example.